What we should all know before heading to the pool.
Yeah, Cody, Tori, the majority of the pools we looked at have already been open since Memorial Day. One pool management company we spoke to say that they are trying to do their best to adhere to the CDC and DHEC guidelines that have been recommended, that have come down from those health officials. Some pool goers add it's really a lot to process when you're just trying to relax poolside.
Alaric Gwynn with Upstate Pool Management says this season is going to be different.
With pools opening this summer, we wanted to follow the CDC and DHEC regulations and guidelines they laid out.
His company manages at least 100 pools in the region, and he says new recommendations they're encouraging are for everyone's safety.
Signs have been added to pool decks to promote social distancing the furniture to make sure that people see the expectations.
Pools under the UPNG umbrella are being encouraged to operate around 20% capacity, but Gwynn says after May 21st, they couldn't directly enforce this.
Some pools are operating a little bit higher than 20% capacity, but still trying to adhere to social distancing and some type of cap.
I think it's safe enough for everything to be reopening. I just really hope that everyone is respectful of each other's space and distancing.
Gary Weaver and Madison Richards say they're ready for summer and pool time with a few conditions.
I would want to know that somewhere I was going was actually enforcing the CDC guidelines and that they were actually taking measures to ensure that the people there were social distancing.
Gwynn says they know many feel the same way, so they're trying to elevate their game.
Our staff definitely has a higher, more important role when it comes to cleanliness this summer. We've enacted a cleaning policy that involves actually shutting down the pool at a majority of our pools in the middle of the day.
He also adds not everyone has been receptive.
When you're limiting something that people pay for and you cause restrictions, there has been some pushback.
Poolgoers like Weaver and Richards say if anything, they're going to be more aware of where they choose to belong because of this, but they'll still go.
I think as long as people are being mindful of other people, they're not going to the pool when they aren't feeling well.
Gwynn says that there is no real timetable for when they might ease or relax some of those recommendations that they're making to all their pool goers and their pool property owners. He says they plan to adapt and move forward as new recommendations come down from health officials at the local, state, and national levels. In Greenville, Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.
Matt, thanks so much. The city